Hello friends, I welcome you to our channel of Face 247X. So today we will be discussing on your demand. I have come with a video of Cabinet Minister Modi 2.0. So those all new appointments which have done so far, that all questions I have included in this video. Okay, and all the ministry, all the cabinet minister which have not been changed, that too are in this video. So stay tuned, we will be discussing all the cabinet minister list. Okay, so without wasting any further time, we will move forward and towards the first question. So first question is, what all departments comes under Narendra Modi, Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji? So Ministry of Personal Public Grievances and Pension, second Department of Atomic Energy, third Department of Space, and all other important policy issues. This all departments comes under Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Question number 2. Who is our MSME Minister? Micro, Small, Medium Enterprises Minister. So your answer is Narayan Rane. His constituency is Rajya Sabha MP from Maharashtra. Question number 3. Who is given the in charge of Ministry of Sports, Shipping and Waterways? Your answer is Sarbananda Sonowal. His constituency is Majoli and from Vidhan Sabha. Question number 4. Who is given the in charge of Social Justice and Empowerment Minister? Answer is Virendra Kumar. Constituency is Tikamgarh, Madhya Pradesh. Question number 5. Who is given the in charge of Ministry of Civil Aviation? So Jyotiraditya Scindia has given the in charge of Ministry of Civil Aviation, and his constituency is from Rajya Sabha MP from Madhya Pradesh. Who is given the in charge of Ministry of Steel? So Ramchandra Prasad Singh has given the in charge of Ministry of Steel, and his constituency is from Rajya Sabha MP from Bihar. Question number 7. Who is given the in charge of Ministry of Railways, Ministry of Communication, and Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology? So Ashwini Vaishnaw has been elected for this particular post, and her constituency is Rajya Sabha MP Odisha. Question number 8. Who is given the in charge of Ministry of Food Processing Industries? So Pashupati Kumar Das has given the in charge of Ministry of Food Processing Industries. His constituency is from Hajipur, Bihar. Question number 9. Who is given the in charge of Ministry of Law and Justice? So Kiran Rijiju has been given this in charge of Ministry of Law and Justice, and his constituency is from Arunachal West. Question number 10. Who is given the in charge of Ministry of Power, Ministry of New and Renewable Energy? Your answer is Rajkumar Singh. Rajkumar Singh has been given the in charge of Ministry of Power, Ministry of New and Renewable Energy, and his constituency is Ara, Bihar. Question number 11. Who is given the in charge of Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas and Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs? Your answer is Hardeep Singh Puri, and his constituency is from Rajya Sabha MP Uttar Pradesh. Question number 12. Who is given the in charge of Ministry of Health and Family Welfare and Ministry of Chemicals and Fertilizers? Your answer is Manshukh L Mandavia, and his constituency is from Rajya Sabha MP from Gujarat. Question number 13. Who is given the in charge of Ministry of Environmental, Forest and Climate Change, Ministry of Labour and Employment? So Bhupendra Yadav has been given the in charge of both, that is Ministry of Environmental, Forest and Climate Change, and another ministry is Ministry of Labour and Employment. His constituency is from Rajya Sabha MP, Rajasthan. Question number 14. Who is given the in charge of Ministry of Fisheries, Animal Husbandry and Dairy? So your answer is Purushottam Rupala has been given the in charge of Ministry of Fisheries, Animals, Husbandry and Dairy, and his constituency is from Rajasthan MP, Gujarat. Moving ahead, question number 15. Who is given the in charge of Ministry of Culture, second Ministry of Tourism, third Ministry of Development and of Northeastern Region? Your answer is G. Kishan Reddy. So G. Kishan Reddy has been given this appointment, and his constituency is from Sikandrabad, Telangana. Question number 16. Who is given the in charge of Ministry of Information and Broadcasting and Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports? Your answer is Anurag Thakur. Constituency is from Hamirpur, Himachal Pradesh. Question number 17. Who is given the in charge of Ministry of Defence? So Rajnath Singh has been given the in charge of Ministry of Defence. This ministry has not been changed, so it is remains same. So for your revision purpose, I have included this ministries too. So Rajnath Singh is controlling this Ministry of Defence, and constituency is Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh. Now question number 18. Who is given the in charge of Ministry of Home Affairs and Ministry of Corporation? So Amit Shah, on earlier basis, he was holding this Ministry of Home Affairs. Right now, another ministry has been given to him, that is Ministry of Corporation. So both the ministry has been is seen by the Amit Shah, and his constituency belongs to Gandhinagar, Gujarat. Question number 19. Who is given the in charge of Ministry of Road Transport and Highways? It remains the same, that is Nitin Jairam Gadkari, and his constituency is from Nagpur, Maharashtra. Question number 20. Who is given the in charge of Ministry of Finance and Ministry of Corporate Affairs? So remains same, that is Nirmala Sitharaman, and her constituency is Rajya Sabha MP from Karnataka. Question number 21st, that is who is given the in charge of Ministry of Agriculture and Farmer Welfare? Again same, Narendra Singh Tomar. Constituency is from Morena, Madhya Pradesh. Question number 22. Who is given the in charge of Ministry of External Affairs? So Subramaniam Jaishankar is the answer, and his constituency is Rajya Sabha MP Gujarat. Question number 23rd. Who is given the in charge of Ministry of Women and Child Development? Remains same, that is Smriti Jubian Irani, and constituency is Amethi, Uttar Pradesh. Question number 24th. Who is given the in charge of Ministry of Commerce and Industry? Second, Ministry of Consumer Affairs. Third, Food and Public Distribution, Ministry of Textiles. Your answer is Piyush Goyal has been appointed with these three ministries, and it remains same. There is not a single change. And constituency is Rajya Sabha MP Madhya Pradesh. Now question number 25th. Who is given the in charge of Ministry of Education, Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship? So your answer is Dharmendra Pradhan. Constituency is Rajya Sabha MP Madhya Pradesh. Question number 26th. Who is given the in charge of Ministry of Parliamentary Affairs and Ministry of Coal and Minister of Mines? Your answer is Prahlad Joshi. Constituency is Dharwad, Karnataka. Now question number 27th. Who is given the in charge of Ministry of Minority Affairs? Your answer is Mukhtar Abbas Naqvi. Constituency is from Rajya Sabha MP Jharkhand. So question number 28. Who is given the in charge of Ministry of Rural Development and Ministry of Panchayati Raj? So answer is Giriraj Singh. Constituency is Begusarai, Bihar. Question number 29th. Who is given the in charge of Ministry of Jal Shakti? Your answer is Gajendra Singh Shekhawat, and constituency is Jodhpur, Rajasthan. Now question number 30. Who is given the in charge of Ministry of Heavy Industries? Answer is Mahendranath Pandey, and constituency is Chandauli, Uttar Pradesh. Question number 31st. Who is given the in charge of Ministry of Independent Charge of the Ministry of Science and Technology, Ministry of Earth Science? Answer is Jitendra Singh, and his constituency is Udhampur, Jammu and Kashmir. Question number 32. Who is given the in charge of Minister of State of Independent Charge of Statistics and Program Implementation, Minister of State Independent Charge of Planning, and Minister of State in the Ministry of Corporate Affairs? So Rao Indrajit Singh has been appointed for these three posts, and constituency is Gurugram, Haryana. So this is your 32 questions. All the ministries I have covered, and just make a note of it and subscribe to our channel, and also press the bell icon so that you never miss the latest updates, and you will be getting all the current affairs and plus the static facts and all these important videos time to time. So do subscribe and also follow our Instagram channel, same name, Affairs 247X. So till that, stay tuned, stay focused. We'll meet soon. Thank you.